Triang Mukha Paschimottanasana, three-limbed forward bend. This asymmetrical pose helps to release many tension points along the back, elongate the back line of the body through the legs, and stretch the front line of the hip and knee joints. Sit with legs straight in front. With both sides of the pelvis placed on the mat, lean the body to the left side and flex the right knee. The flexed leg is in plantar flexion and lies next to the pelvis, with the heel near the thigh. The left leg is straight forward. The knee is in extension, with the leg gently pushing down toward the mat. The ankle is in dorsiflexion. Raise the arms upward and then bend forward. Hold the forward leg and raise the chest forward and upward while maintaining the spine in an elongated position. Then lead the chest downward toward the thigh. Here we all have an unexplained desire to reach the toes and to show ourselves and everyone around us that we can bend far forward. Yoga teaches us to avoid and restrain these desires, to act wisely, to listen to the body, and to allow it to be relaxed and stable in this pose, which for many students can be very challenging. The front leg is straight. The muscles that stretch are the hamstrings, gastrocnemius, and soleus. Looking at the upper body, the muscles in the lower back, the quadratus lumborum, and the erector spinae are stretched. Common problem: shortening of the hamstrings in the forward leg limits pelvic movement and creates excessive flexion in the back. Solution: using a strap around the forward ankle will make it possible to maintain an elongated back and to focus and isolate the stretch in the hamstrings while trying to tilt the pelvis slightly anteriorly. Common problem: shortening of the plantar flexion muscles in the forward leg. Solution: A. Perform the pose in a position in which the ankle is in plantar flexion. B. Use a strap to improve the range of stretch in the plantar flexion muscles. Common problem: difficulty in keeping both sides of the pelvis in contact with the mat causes one side of the pelvis to rise and the other side tends to fall. Solution: use an exercise block as support under the pelvis on the side of the straight leg. This support will make it possible to maintain and elongate the torso in the midline. Common problem: limited range of lower back forward flexion. Solution: reduce the range of flexion in the lower back and perform the elongated pose while supporting the hands on a chair. Common problem: shortening of the quadriceps in the flexed leg or sensitivity to pain in the knee. Solution: sit on a bolster or an exercise block to elevate the pelvis and reduce the range of flexion. Common problem: limited range of plantar flexion movement in the ankle of the flexed leg. Solution: sit on a bolster or an exercise block to elevate the pelvis and reduce the range of plantar flexion in the ankle.